All right, you won't hear me say this very often. Once in a blue moon, a car comes around. This is a 68 Camaro Rally Sport. So it's an RS, matching numbers, all original drivetrain. When I tell you one of the nicest ones I've seen, I mean it. It's absolutely showroom condition. The body, the paint, the body lines, it just doesn't get better. This is obviously a convertible, power top, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, everything you want. Besides how beautiful the car is and how well it was restored, a quality restoration, it's got a book of documentation, everything, oil changes, receipts, maintenance, everything. Got the original Protecto plate. This is a true matching numbers RS convertible. Headlights are still vacuum and they work beautifully. Factory AC, just the main red line tires, rally wheels. It doesn't get better. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. If you want an investment quality muscle car that you can take out and drive anywhere, this is it. Beautiful in and out.